Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have an overflow of mint in my garden and I should use it before I lose the beautiful harvest. So I thought today we could make a lovely mint sauce. And as always, the homemade version is much better than the store-bought version. And the nice part about this recipe is there's no baking or cooking involved. And all we'll need is a large bunch of mint, which equates to about 2 cups of mint, 500 mils. 105 mils of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 105 mils of boiling water. And that's it, 4 ingredients. So we start off by chopping our mint leaves. Did you know that although mint sauce is very popular in Britain and Ireland, it was actually introduced to the British by the Romans? I've given the leaves a very good wash, so that we can just chop it. So mint sauce tastes delicious with roast chicken and almost any slow oven roast like a pork or a roast beef. And lamb can be quite fatty, so the sharp taste of mint and vinegar helps to cut through that fattiness. So let me tell you a secret. I made some lamb tails a while back and my husband hated it. It was too fatty. So I can't wait to try this on some lamb tails. So this mint sauce will definitely be a very good experiment on the lamb tails. So try mixing it into gravies to add extra depth of flavor, or use it straight from the jar or dilute to your taste by adding vinegar or water. So our mint is chopped. Let's add that to a dish of about 600 ml size so that we can fit everything in. Mint in a bowl, we add 105 mils of boiling water and we'll leave that to infuse for about 10 minutes. So mint sauce can also be used in a vinaigrette with roast courgettes. Add it to some Greek or double cream or full cream yogurt for a quick riata dip that you can use with Indian poppadoms or even mashed in mushy peas. So after leaving the mint leaves to infuse in the boiling water for about 10 minutes, let's add 105 mils of white wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We'll give that a good stir until all the sugar is dissolved. And now we can just pour this into our sterilized jar. We can seal it and store in the fridge. And that's how quick and easy it was. It took me 15 minutes to make, including the cooling down of the boiling water. So it makes about 250 mils. I'm definitely going to be using this next time I'm making Portuguese sardines. So that was quick and easy mint sauce. This mint sauce can keep in the fridge for up to 6 months, but is best used within 3 weeks. So go ahead guys, make yourself a batch and start planning what you will be doing with your mint sauce. Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!